In this video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Lightroom Classic. Now, to do this is actually quite simple and a lot of people seem to be struggling. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and create our own watermark. So we're going to click the edit button here, edit watermarks. And as of the moment, I actually have my own watermark ready, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. So let's just go ahead and try to call this one copyright Vladimir. There you go. And you can go ahead and choose whether it's going to be a text or a graphic, but let's just go on to say text for now. And then you have here different options with regards to your watermark. I want you to go ahead and try to filter this as you need. I'm just going to save this for now, and I'm going to go ahead and call this one Vladimir tutorial, and then tap the create button right there. And obviously the moment you do that, it's going to disappear. Now, how do we add it to our photo? It's actually going to be added once you export it. So click the file here and then the export button. And then if you are going to go ahead and scroll down here, you should be able to see an option that says watermark. So make sure that you are going to toggle this on, and we're just going to go ahead and name this one, or choose the one that we have created. After doing so, go ahead and make sure to export this in a folder you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and type the export, or tap the export button rather, right here. And then afterwards, we're just going to locate that one. All right, so now that we have located it, we're just going to go ahead and basically open this one. So if we are going to double click, you should be able to see the same image here, and you have your watermark down there. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helps you out. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button down below. Feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.